Hi teens, this is Sarah with Pulaski County Public Library Teen Department. Today we are going to be doing a chapstick holder. So you'll need some fabric. I just have a fat quarter here. Some sewing pins, ruler, interfacing, scissors, marker, and a key ring. So you'll cut your fabric. You'll need 2 pieces of 2.5 by 7 inch. You'll also need a piece of interfacing the same size. And then for your little ring tab at the top, it's 1 by 3.5 inches. Now it says to use interfacing on that, but I chose not to because it's just so small. So what you'll do is you're gonna take your piece for your ring tab and you're going to fold it in and use an iron and press that, and then fold it in again to where it's in half, and then press it again. And then once you do that, you're gonna sew along the open edge, just on one side. And then after that, you're gonna take your fabric. You'll have the tab inserted with the fabric being face up. And then the other piece of fabric will be face down, and your little tab is in between the two. So as far as sewing, you're gonna sew all the way around and leave a 2-inch gap on one of the long edges. So your tab will be sewn at the top, and then you'll have a 2-inch gap on the side. And then you're gonna flip that inside out, and where that gap is along the side, you're gonna fold that in and sew that closed. Then you take and you fold the bottom up and leave about a 3/4 inch at the top, and then you're just gonna sew all the way around the edges. It's important not to sew too close in on the edges, otherwise your chapstick won't fit. You can also put the key ring on, or if you have a clip, you can just attach the fabric to the clip. So here's our final product. And you can see it's just sewn all the way around the edges. And that's your chapstick holder. All right, thanks. See you next time.